morning, everyone. I have reached Guwahati and I've reached my friend's house. Currently residing in his house for a day. Uh, Actually, we have planned up to come together and meet up at Guwahati. But however, due to some circumstances, I came earlier that he will be reaching by today. So we will catch up together and then actually, today there is a very exciting match between Norwich United and Punjab FC. Actually, I haven't not experienced this football match of this ISL league, so it will be a quite captivating moment for me to join him. And he's really, and I'm also really excited, and even he's also really excited. We both are a very big fan of football, so. I will share you the moment. He just came back. Man. So uncle just prepared. Uncle, what are you preparing?
Cake,
So
banana cake.
like how you prepared?
I'll show you next time.
Uncle is so much fond of preparing cake. So we are about to start our match journey. Yeah, Norwich United.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's go. ठीक है अंकल बाइक में चलते हैं
भाई हेलमेट पहन लो, हेलमेट पहन लो.
पहन लिया चलो चलते हैं लेट्स गो So where are we heading first?
We're heading to the top of the mountain,
Oh,
top of the hill.
okay, we are heading to top of the hill so that we can access the view of the Guwahati.
Yes. This is the famous Rupnagar, which is near Guwahati Medical College. So now we'll be heading towards the medical college and towards that particular hill.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
I hope everyone will enjoy our video. Let's go.
TV tower.
So we are about to reach top.
This is the GMC Hill TV tower. Left on your left.
We are straight going up the hill. Somehow steep. We run up by bike. Wow.
How's it?
Yeah.
And this is one of the peaks of Guwahati from the Guwahati Medical College side. And here is Manisana.
Hi.
How's it?
Yeah, it's quite amazing and like it's so beautiful.
That's the
I want to know where exactly I am and where I want to speak some of the places from here. Actually, I'm not able to
Okay.
identify the place.
So, hi friends. So
Hi.
we are here in one of the peaks in Guwahati city. We are in the middle of the center. We are the center of the Guwahati basically. And I have brought my friend Manisana out here. So this is one of the parts basically in the center of the heart of the city. It's near Guwahati Medical College. We also call it as the GMC Pahar. And as you can see, there are different places. We can see the whole of Guwahati from here. Over there, if you can zoom in and see, that's the Brahmaputra river. And beyond that river, it's the North Guwahati side. Also, we call it as there are places like Amingaon, Bayhata, and all those. And this is the hill which is called the Gandhi Mandap, where the tricolor or a flag is hoisted. And beyond that hill, there's the Silpukri hill. And this side is like Ganeshguri, that's Ganeshguri, and then Beltola side over there. So, Manisana,
Okay.
what's your experience on this?
Nice, beautiful.
Have you ever been here?
No, I haven't. It's my first time over here, and actually, very thankful to Vijay to giving a great hospitality,
That's okay,
providing
man.
a great hospitality, and I'm very thankful to his father, uncle.
If you want to come here, no, just ping me
Sure.
through him.
We have come across the hill.
We are in the top of the hill, bro.
Now we are coming on the top of the hill now. We are just riding up. We'll check out what's the next point.
Go from that side.
Yeah. So in order to check some view, we are just moving down somewhere. He's taking me somewhere so that I can have a nice scenic view of the ducks. The
Bro.
what do we call? Nice Thomas tip. Yeah, we are coming down. Let's take the view. Okay. So let's switch on the camera view to rear.
Yeah, that's our stadium, bro. Light is
Where?
on. Oh, देख रहा है? Light जल रहा है.
Oh,
That is the stadium.
this one. Oh,
Yeah, bro, we were going there.
okay. Yeah, the cloud is somehow hazy, but
Today is very hazy, yeah.
yeah, so we'll be heading towards here soon.
That is our stadium. That one. तुम्हारा गोरचुक पता है गोरचुक? Have you heard of गोरचुक? Jalukbari?
हाँ Jalukbari पता है.
Jalukbari is there.
Oh.
Jalukbari side is there.
Mm-hmm.
This is Lokhara, where the stadium is there.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's coming properly. And this side is Basista. That side.
Mm.
And this is the Assam battalion field. नीचे.
Yeah. This one.
यहाँ पे parade वगैरह होता है.
Okay.
Independence Day, Republic Day.
Mm.
And there is a shooting range also out there. Pistol, rifle shooting range.
The stadium is calling us.
The stadium is calling us, man.
I think we should go. The stadium is over there. We have seen that the light has been turned on and the game is going to start by 7:30, right?
Yeah, 7:30.
From 7:30, and we'll be heading directly from here now.
Yeah, we can watch from here also.
We can watch from here
For
but
free.
but the thing is, we will not be able to see the players.
Yeah, so we have to go closer.
So let's move on.
Let's move.
Okay.
I'm feeling high.
Okay, so we finally reached the stadium. We are about to book our ticket. So we are heading right to the ticket counter. Come on! How's the doors?
Notice! Notice! We have to buy the tickets first before entering.
That's the main issue.
That's the main issue.
We have reached the ticket counter and we just went inside to book the ticket. As soon as possible, we will be entering the stadium.
Hello. You're booking it right now. I hope we win today.
Yeah, sure, 100%.
I'm sitting here wondering.
Chairs of the दिल होना शुरू हो गया है. Started to cross. One is busy buying Norwich United. Yeah, here I got the same also. This is both Dortmund player and Norwich United fan. So we are about to make an entry to the stadium. It's almost 7:30. So the match is going to start soon. So we'll be heading towards the stadium right now. So we are heading to the stadium right now. The stadium is right in front of us. So let's support Norwich United. Actually, it's going to play against Norwich United versus Punjab. So I'm very literally sorry for Punjab because I stay long for there. Sorry. Dang, dang, dang. Here we reached the stadium.
I'll show you, man.
Okay. So
ये पूरा मुंह पे लगा लिया है.
we're heading towards the stadium.
Yeah.
So can we take our seat and can observe?
That is the Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium,
Started.
Guwahati.
Oh, we can hear the huge roar of the crowd.
And we three are there.
Crowd roaring.
This is the stadium.
Which way?
Right. Mane, excited?
Yeah.
Listen it. Guys, please follow all of us. The accounts are in the description below.
घुमाओ विजय एक बार घुमाओ. We are going to check in now. Almost.
Now you make a video.
Yeah, I've started. कहाँ बैठेगा?
আজি পালা না তুমি? পালা না কেলা ইমান সোনকালে দিছে এবাৰ. মই চক বে এবাৰ. এই মেচ চাই আছিলো, গুৱাহাটী আহিছো. আজি আহিছো. আরে আমার রিসার্চ করার এটা আহিছে.
বঢ়িয়া
মোৰ ঘৰতে আছিলো. তাকো লৈ আহিলো.
নহয় ফালি
আছো মই 20-21 মানত যাম. তুমি কেতিয়া যাবা? কি প্লেন কৰিছা? এই আৰামছে ইমান কেছ নাই.
কি হ'ল?
ओ लवली बोल भाई. ओ बे.
We have a very strong supporter here for Norwich United. Still, the score is around 1. It's 1-0. So I can see that
Show them.
Norwich United still the players dominating Punjab. Still roaring.
Notice. Come on.
The match just half time is just over, and the score is
We are leading 1-0.
1-0.
There's another half to watch, and I hope we will win today because we are dominating the game. However, Punjab is playing really well, but our play, like final third, is not that good enough. Like the matches we play away, not at home. But I hope we win today.
So how is the match as compared to the last match and today's match?
Last match we drew here against Mohammedan SC. We should have won that game as well. We played really well.
Yeah, I can see that Norwich United is
But today we are like dominating and we are countering mostly. However, in the final third of the game, like the box side, D box side, we are lacking good strike towards the goal. So I hope we win.
So let's wait for the
Alan
second
Norris,
half.
come on! What do you think about the game? This is your first time here in the stadium. Come on.
I think I can see that Norwich United is still dominating. I can.
How are you feeling?
So excited to watch the match with you
And this guy is will. Norris! So here is the stadium. And here the crowd. People have gone to pee and eat some stuff while we are still sitting for the second half to begin. Hope we will win. Come on.
Thank you.
That's yours, bro.
The match just ended up and it's through 1-1. Scoring is both the team have played well, but however we don't think we are not expecting as much as we could have. So these kids are the supporters of Norwich United. They are extreme fan supporters. Say hi.
Hey, on the queue, they are coming now.
We are going to do mukbang in the night. No, this is just water bottle. Don't take it in some other way. It's a whole water bottle. We got chili chicken and dal. And BJ is, it's not cooking, he's just warming up the food.
I'm warming up stuff.
So finally I'm going back to home. BJ has already arranged my cab for me. Thank you.
No problem, no problem. Visit again.
Sure.